Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Here's your executive summary for Thursday, August 21st. Walmart stock crashes 9% despite beating earnings on soft consumer guidance and gas price pressure. Target and Home Depot confirm the pattern. Foot traffic up, spending per trip down. Apple prepares for a CEO transition next month as Tim Cook steps aside for hardware chief John Ternus. Samsung announces up to $79 billion in shareholder returns, dwarfing SK Hynix's buyback. And fentanyl deaths drop 22% as the administration touts enforcement results. Let's dig into the retail reset. Walmart tumbled 9.2% this morning despite beating profit expectations. CFO John David Rainey called the consumer environment arguably softer than in February, with gas prices climbing back above $4, creating psychological pressure. Traffic rose 1.5% at U.S. Walmart stores, but spending per trip up just 1.1%. At Sam's Club, traffic surged 7% while per-trip spending fell 2.5%. Translation: consumers are shopping more frequently but buying less each time. Classic value-seeking behavior. Target and Home Depot paint the same picture. Target reported 3.6% traffic growth with flat per-trip spending. Home Depot noted consumers tackling smaller projects like plumbing and gardening, while big-ticket home improvements stay pressured. Investment strategist Brian Hayes nailed it. This is a deliberate consumer, not a weak one. Employed, still spending, increasingly disciplined. Both retailers have slashed prices on thousands of items to retain customers. July retail sales posted the biggest drop in 14 months. Meanwhile, Apple is preparing for a seismic shift. Tim Cook steps down as CEO in September, handing leadership to hardware chief John Ternus. Cook successfully grew Apple into the world's second-largest company by market cap, but Wall Street wants bigger swings in the AI era. Analysts expect Ternus to emphasize product innovation, potentially higher R&D spending, larger M&A, and a fresh AI strategy to restore that element of surprise Apple was once famous for. In semiconductors, Samsung fires back at rival SK Hynix with a massive shareholder return program worth an estimated $65 to $79 billion, the largest in company history. This follows SK Hynix announcing a $28.7 billion buyback just days earlier. Samsung's package includes $30 trillion in Q3 cash dividends, plus share buybacks and cancellations, all after reporting record profits in July. The buyback arms race shows how flush these companies are with AI-driven cash flow. And here's your public health win with market implications. Fentanyl deaths plunged 22% year over year, dropping from 48,913 deaths in 2024 to 38,084 in 2025. The White House credits border enforcement, anti-cartel campaigns, and arrests of convicted traffickers. Nationwide fentanyl seizures fell 45% in fiscal 2025, suggesting supply chain disruption. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. Check us out at capitalcopilot.io.